Children, now we'll be doing division of a polynomial by a polynomial. That is, in the previous question we were doing division of a polynomial by a monomial, that is a single term. Then we had written numerator upon denominator and tried to cancel somehow. But here now you have two or more than two terms in the denominator also, and then how to do the division procedure. First and foremost, you have to always keep it in mind, dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That is, it may happen that remainder is not 0, you may get some remainder. Then in that case it is this. If remainder is 0, then it is completely divisible, you are getting quotient as this. Now in this question, this is one question which is actually a different type of question where I could do it by factorization also. So a square minus b square formula all of you know. I can write it as a minus b into a plus b. So 3x square minus 1 within bracket into 3x square plus 1. Note this step carefully, properly. See that why I am writing like this. Not that in every question you can write like this. No, not possible. Children, in this question I have written like this. Upon 3x square minus 1 was in denominator. This I have written this so that I could cancel the complete bracket here, which is common in both numerator and denominator, and I am getting only 3x square plus 1. So this is procedure when it is factorizable somehow, and you can write by cancelling the common factor. Now I have also done it by chance if it will not strike to you, then in that case you will get stuck here. So you will have to do it by common procedure of division, that is the long division method. Now in long division method, first and foremost arrange the polynomial both that is numerator denominator both, that is dividend and divisor both, in descending power of x, that is higher to lower. So 9x4 minus 1, 3x square minus 1, it is already arranged, so no arrangement is required. Now you know in number system what you used to do is, how can you get the same number here, by what number you should multiply so that you get this number. So mental multiplication is to be done. Now 3x square is here. If I multiply this by 3x square here, I will be getting 9x to the power 4. So I am writing 3x square here. Now this quotient will multiply both the terms, not only single term. So 3x square minus 1 becomes minus 3x square. 3x square into 3x square will become 9x to the power 4. And obviously when you subtract in division, you have to do this. You know in number system you have learned the procedure. So signs will change. This minus sign here and this will become plus. Now this gets cancelled because 9x4 minus 9x4 is 0. We don't write 0 usually. Now what is left over? This becomes 3x square. So plus 3x square minus 1 you will take down. So now if you multiply this by plus 1, you will get directly this, which is the required expression. Hence this expression minus this expression is automatically nil. You can show that also, minus plus this and this goes. Hence you are getting nil as the remainder. I hope it is clear to you. Now we'll do another question, that is for C part. Now in this question you have 5 terms in the dividend and 3 terms in the divisor. Now we cannot factorize because you don't know how to factorize to the power 4 and to the power 3 just now in class 8. So you will have to write all of them in descending power of x, here also, here also. Now x cube is first term, x to the power is first term. Now how can you get x to the power 4 down from here if you multiply this expression by x? So I am writing x here. Now x, mentally multiply x into 5, 5x, x into x square, x cube, x into x cube, x to the power 4. I hope this step is clear to you all. Now subtraction is to be done as usual. I told you division you have to do next step. So this gets cancelled, x to the power 4 minus x to the power 4. Now here x cube minus x cube will be added, both negative signs. So minus 2x cube. Now minus 2x square will come down and plus 5x minus 5x will get cancelled. Now what else is left over? Minus 10. Minus 10, you can make it minus little darker. So you are getting minus 10 here. Now you see, if you multiply by minus 2, you are getting the same expression which is written here. So minus 2x cube minus 2x square minus 10. Now after subtraction all signs will change, plus, and all of them will get cancelled. It is 0 in the denominator, in the remainder. Children, again I say the same thing. Don't copy the solutions as it is. Try to do it on your own. Then only you will have the competency to do the work and you will not face problem in doing test. That mental calculation and fast calculation comes only when you practice. So you are required to practice more and more mentally as well as manually, and hence save your time while doing calculations.